in sales, you should never try to focus on the product or service you're actually selling. You need to focus on the outcome from the product or service that you're selling. And that's exactly what solution-focused brief therapy is designed to do. So being able to talk to people about how their lives would be transformed once they had access to your product or service is a complete game changer. And that's where the focus should be. When we're parenting kids, we tend to give our children the most attention when they've done something wrong or negative. And what you should do to apply solution-focused brief therapy principles and ideas to parenting is give your children attention when they've done activities and behaviors that you are pleased with, and literally talk to people constantly about what's right about what they're doing and make people feel good about them. I think the secret to human development is all human beings are both flawed and exceptionally talented simultaneously. So helping your children to discover what their talents are and let them know when you're pleased that they're using their talents is an absolute game changer. Always focus on the type of relationship you are trying to co-create with your partner instead of just focusing on fixing problems. One of the biggest mistakes that we make in relationships is we take our partner for granted, and we only want to sit down and have meaningful conversations when a problem has arisen. My suggestion would be, when things are going really well, sit down with your partner and ask questions then.